Welcome to my tutorial on how to export a video from Premiere Pro over to your YouTube channel. After we have our video file fully edited down here with the audio track, we go to File, Export, Media. Then we come over to this YouTube panel here, and we turn it on with this lever here. Then we go to our file name. We have our file name here. We go to location. Where are we going to save our YouTube video? For this one, I'm just going to put it right here. Save there. Then we go to channel. I have two channels here. Beast Websites is my channel. To add a new channel, you click here. You add your new channel here, and then you log in with your web browser over here. These are all my YouTube channels. So this is my YouTube channel, Tyler Draws at beastwebsites.com. So I click that, then I hit click continue. And then that gives me access to it. Next we go to playlist. It's highly recommended you have a playlist because you get more views. So I load up my playlist. You can make the playlist on your YouTube channel by going in the back end from the Google website and then going through there and making it on your YouTube channel, and then it'll show up in this playlist. So Beast Website. Then give it a title. Then give it a description. For your privacy setting, you want to click public, unlisted, or private. I want everyone to see my video, so I click public. Then give it some tags. Then you're going to need a thumbnail. So you want to go to from image file, and then you want to load here is your thumbnail file. You choose a file, and on your hard drive search for a picture. For my thumbnail, I did the morph tool, so I have a picture of snakes that are morphing, and I resized the image. So I'm going to use snakes resized, and that loads up in there. Then after that, all you have to do is hit export over here in the corner, and then it'll start encoding your sequence, and I'll export it to YouTube. Then what you should do after that is, while it's encoding, is go over, get to your web browser, which I'll do right now. Go to your web browser and enter in YouTube to check that your video uploaded and everything and exported properly. So here are my Beast channels. I'm going to check your channel, and then there's my video right there. How to make a morph at Adobe Premiere Pro CC so it uploaded to YouTube. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do to export to YouTube. Thank you for listening to my tutorial. I hope that helps you. Take care.